Tricia, Tricia, Tricia. Hey everybody, around the world, around the world, people are watching us.
Yes. Hi everyone.
That's amazing. From Argentina to Canada, and then Japan to Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
And then Egypt to South America, no, Africa, right? And then all Europe. Wow, they are watching us. Hopefully. Yeah, Unit 7, everybody. We are studying 이것, 저것, 이것들, 저것들. You remember, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this unit, same thing, but a little different function grammatically. For example, 이 축구공,
이 축구공,
저 야구공,
저 야구공.
this soccer ball, that baseball. Difference is before 이것은 무엇이에요? 저것은 무엇이에요?
Yeah.
But this time, this soccer ball, 얼마예요?
얼마예요?
이 축구공 얼마예요?
이 축구공 얼마예요?
How much is this soccer ball?
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
저 야구공 얼마예요?
저 야구공 얼마예요?
See, previous unit you have difficulty in pronouncing 축구공. Your sound is like 저거공, something like that. But now it's getting better. 축구공, 야구공. Okay?
축구공, 야구공.
Learning another language is like that. You need practicing, something like that. Okay?
Yes.
So 저 축구공은 얼마예요?
저 축구공은 얼마예요?
How much is that soccer ball? Okay?
Okay.
저 야구공은 얼마예요?
저
야구공은
야구공은 얼마예요?
how much is that baseball? Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, she's following me really good. Okay? See you everybody. Bye.